I think this is my first official video only. I shot the complete video using the vertical camera and I forgot that I have to use the horizontal camera. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in an impromptu way, I created my YouTube channel. So for the first official video, I thought of creating this makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so for the primer, I am using the Miss Claire primer. I'll be applying it on my T-zone. Okay, so for the foundation, I'll be using the Nykaa Skin Shield and in the shade. Okay, so I'm in the shade 09 Desert Honey. I'll be taking just this much amount. I'll be applying it on my face with this beauty sponge. Just dotting it all over my face. Okay, so the foundation is done. The next thing I'll be using is this concealer. This concealer is from Bobbi Brown. It's their Intensive Skin Concealer in the shade Warm Beige. I'll be just taking just a little bit, like here and here. I don't like to apply a lot of concealer. Using this pat mini beauty sponge, and I'll be just patting it here. I think the concealer looks pretty good, and now I'll be using the Wet n Wild pressed powder. I'll be taking this from fluffy brush and I'll be just applying it here under my eyes. I don't like to bake because I am from dry skin. I'll just dust it all over my face a little bit. Now let's move on to the eyes. The next thing I'll be using is this eyebrow pencil from Etude House. I'll be just brushing my hair upwards. I'll be just applying the eyebrow pencil just where it is needed. Just going in the direction of my hair. I just don't want to apply a lot of it. I just want to keep it natural because the eye look what we are going for is very subtle and it's very beautiful, guys. It's very beautiful. I love my eye look and I can wear it very often. Like literally just imagine wearing it with white jeans and some like this top. And yes, you are good to go. It looks so subtle and so nice, but so many colors in that. I really love it. The eyebrows are done and now comes my favorite part. This is the best part, you guys. The eyeshadow is so subtle and so colorful. Yet I love it like so much. Yeah, the first thing I'll be using is this MAC's purple lipstick in the shade Luster Budding Love. I don't know, I have this from such a long time and I don't use it on my lips because it doesn't suit our Indian skin tone. So I just thought I'll be using it on my eyes. I'll just be applying it with my fingers all over my eyes. I don't know, I am obsessed with the lilac shade. I am actually obsessed with neon colors and the pastel colors. Like literally, I just want to have them all. Okay, so the lipstick has been applied. So this is how my eyes look right now. You need to set this with some powder because it is a cream product. So I'll be using this Goron eyeshadow palette. This is I don't know, like a drugstore eyeshadow palette. This I have bought a long time back. So I'll be just using this purple shade into in this. I'll be just using this purple shade and I'll just be setting all over my lid. Mascara. This is the Lash Sensational mascara from Maybelline. I love this mascara, how it gives volume and length to my lashes. I just love that. Just comb it upwards and just you'll see how good this mascara is. And also this is waterproof. I love it so much. So the eyes are done and now we'll go on to the face again. And I have not applied eyelashes because I feel the mascara is doing the work of natural lashes and elongated lashes. Yeah, so for the face I'll be using this Flower Beauty's Contour Highlight Blush Palette. For the contour I'll be using this. I'll also be bronzing up my face. This is the Miss Clay's blusher, but it is a little bit dark for me and it has some sheen, so I'll be using this as my bronzer. I'll be taking this half U shape here. Blush also I'll be using the blush shade from Flower Beauty palette. It's a rose pink color, little lighter for me but I don't mind. I'll be pushing my blush with my contour. I will also apply the blush on my nose just to be cute, a little bit cute. The last thing which I'll be doing is applying the highlighter. This highlighter is very good, you guys. This is so blinding and so good. I'll just be applying it here. I hope you can see the highlighter. I'll also be applying it on my brow bone. The last thing which I'll be doing is I'll be taking this plain brush again and I'll be mixing all the things together so it doesn't look like a stark line of blush, highlight and contour. Okay, for the lips, I'm little bit confused for what should I go. I have this kinda sexy from MAC and also this Nykaa's lip crayon in the shade Sweet Talk. So what should I go for? The eyes are so subtle, so I'm thinking to go for this Nykaa's lip crayon. I'll be just lining my lips first and then applying it all over my lips. Yeah, so this is the final result. I hope you like it.